Hello everybody, welcome to watch the introduction of iDol drone. Let's just cut to the chase and here we go now. Firstly, please aim the battery to the charging seat and start recharging. Then please fold the iDol, put the battery on the drone and gently press it. You will hear a click sound, which means it's installed correctly. Secondly, unfold the iDol and press the power button for 3 seconds. While the indicator is flashing and there has a warning tone, means the drone already have been started up. Press the power button for 3 seconds again. When the indicator is off, means you have turned the drone off. Thirdly, open the FUNSNAP app and connect to the Wi-Fi, which name begins with DY. The password is from 1 to 9. Before the first time flying, please read the guide, where you will see the use method and the flight-related norms. For the green hand in the app first in order to have a basic knowledge of iDol. After that, you are ready to do horizontal calibration. First, place the drone in a flat surface and go to the app page of Setting, Sensor Calibration, Horizontal Calibration. Click the Start Calibration button and wait for 5 seconds during which please don't move the drone until the app shows that horizontal calibration is done. If the horizontal calibration is failed, please restart the drone and do it again. Start the geomagnetic calibration next after the horizontal calibration is done. Enter into the app page of Setting, Sensor Calibration, Geomagnetic Calibration. Click the Start Calibration button. When the LED single flash in white, please rotate the iDol horizontally for 4 turns. The app will auto move to the next step when the LED double flash in white. Then please rotate the iDol vertically for 4 turns. The calibration is done when the LED changes color. When hover outdoor, please place iDol in an open area. Enter into the app page and click the one key takeoff or landing button. There will pop up a window to confirm whether to fly. Click Yes, iDol will start flying. Click this button again. There also will pop up a window to confirm whether want to landing. Upward and downward, the left joystick is corresponding to the control of ascending and descending, while the leftward and rightward is for counter rotate and clockwise rotation. The right joystick controls horizontal flight. You can make the drone forward or backward, leftward or rightward with it. iDol drone is built in multiple intelligent operation modes. When you start the gesture control, please make gesture within 2 meters before the camera for the photo shooting and wave the palm if you want the drone landing. Click the rocket mode. The drone will ascending vertically. Click the drone mode. The drone will ascending at 45 degrees. Click the 360 degree circle mode. the drone will surround and shoot the beam set object. Click the Flying or Setting, where you can switch to either one of the following modes. Fast and slow gear is for speed controlling, 5 meters per second for faster mode and 2 meters per second for slow mode. Headless mode allows you to ignore the flight direction. Flying backwards will make the drone fly to the direction of the takeoff point. Gravity mode. Click the right stick and tilt the phone to control the flight by using the gravity perceptive system of the phone. Left-handed throttle and right-handed throttle switch. Electronic fans ensure the drone flying in the safe area. Click the video button, you are ready to record the video. Click the camera button, you will see a sign "Photograph successfully" after shooting. Click the gallery, you can check the photos and videos and download them to your phone. You can also click the loving heart for collection, then share them to different social medias. Open the setting page. Here you can do the sensor calibration. Check the current version of app and firmware. Change the Wi-Fi name and display language. Clear the SD card and restore to factory settings. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. The remote controller will be successfully start up when the LED is flashing. Turn on the remote controller before the drone starts up and move the left stick up and down. When the LED changes color to red means the remote controller is successfully matching with the drone, and you can see remote controller is connected in the app. Horizontal calibration. Place the drone on a flat surface and pull the joystick to the left bottom at the same time for 1 second. The drone will start horizontal calibration when the LED flashes in white color. Please wait for 5 seconds until the LED changes color, which means the horizontal calibration is done. Pull the joystick to the right bottom at the same time for 1 second to start the geomagnetic calibration. When the LED single flashing white, please rotate the iDol horizontally for 4 turns and then vertically rotate it for 4 turns when the LED double flashing white. When the LED changes color into green, it means the geomagnetic calibration is done and the drone is already connected with the GPS. Click 1T takeoff button on the remote for iDol taking off. Click again for landing. You can ascend or descend the drone by moving the left stick upward and downwards, while the leftward and rightward is corresponding to counter-rotate and clockwise rotation. The right stick controls horizontal flight. You can make the drone forward or backwards, leftward or rightward with it. The button on top right corner is for flight speed adjustment. The maximum flight speed is 5 meters per second when gear up, and the minimum flight speed is 2 meters per second when gear down. Click the camera button to control the photographing and start or stop the video recording by pressing the button for 3 seconds. You can choose the most suitable angle for shooting by adjusting the camera lens. When the GPS satisfies the need of location, the drone will auto-return to the takeoff point once click the one-key return home button. That's all of our guide. Enjoy and have a good flight.